Hi, I'm Dr. Geeta Raju, consultant ophthalmologist at Om Medicare Center, Boisar, Maharashtra. As we depend more and more on the virtual world for all our needs, computer vision syndrome is affecting an alarming number of people in the general population worldwide. Computer vision syndrome can affect as young as 2-year-old kid to as old as 90-year-old elderly person. It is best prevented than treated. Computer vision syndrome is characterized by a group of symptoms like redness, irritation, watering, grittiness, eye pain, headache, neck pain, shoulder pain, generalized irritability, etc. It is best prevented than treated, as I earlier said. Prevention includes decreasing the screen time of your mobiles, TVs, computers to about 1 hour in children below 6 years of age and 2 hours above 6 years of age. But as we all know, this is not possible in today's lifestyle because in children, most of their materials are on the computers and online classes, as well as in adults, most of the work is on the computer. So, modifying your lifestyle to suit your eyes and body is the best way to prevent computer vision syndrome. These small lifestyle modifications, like adjusting the workstation such that it suits your body, like depending more on the computers or laptops or a larger screen than a smaller screen of the mobile or an iPad, goes a long way in reducing computer vision, in alleviating the symptoms of computer vision syndrome. Adjusting the computer screen such that it is around 25 to 30 inches from your eye, adjusting the screen such that it is about 4 to 5 inches below the eye level, using a flat screen instead of a rounded screen, decreasing the glare from the computer by adjusting the brightness and the contrast, decreasing the glare from the surrounding areas, increasing the size of the font of the computers, as far as possible using a black and white screen would be ideal for the eye. There are other measures like using an anti-glare screen in front of the monitor of the computer, getting your spectacles coated with an anti-reflective coating so that it decreases the interference of the rays from the computer. Also, it blocks the blue light from the computer, which damages the retina. Also, the bright light of the computer is damaging to the eye such that the tear film gets evaporated easily and causes dryness of the eye. Also, staring at the computer for a long time decreases the blink rate, which is actually voluntary, and so adjusting yourself such that you voluntarily blink your eye at least 20 times a day also helps in preventing dryness and computer vision syndrome. There are other measures like following the 20-20-20 rule, that is looking at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds after every 20 minutes of computer use helps in relaxing the intraocular muscles. Also, cupping the eyeballs like this in the depth of your palm every 20 minutes of computer use relaxes the extraocular muscles. Also, using a room humidifier so that it prevents dryness of the eye. Adjusting the AC vent such that it is not directly blowing into your eye. These are all small measures, but it goes a long way in preventing computer vision syndrome. Now, the treatment of computer vision syndrome, when you get such symptoms, it is best to consult your eye specialist. So we recommend at least 6 monthly checkup for children and 1 yearly checkup for adults. Ophthalmologist, if you visit an ophthalmologist, he will diagnose a change in refractive error early. So correct glasses, wearing correct glasses for your computers also decreases the severity of the symptoms. Then early detection of dry eye and treatment like lubricating eye drops, hot fomentation means putting cotton cloth in warm water and just massaging the eyeball, then massaging your orbital margins, then with the palm of your hand massaging the eyeballs and the temples and the bridge of the nose after at least every 1 hour of computer use. These can also go a long way in alleviating the symptoms of computer vision syndrome. These are small lifestyle changes, but they go a long way in decreasing the severity of the computer vision syndrome. Also, underlying diseases like thyroid diseases and Sjogren's diseases, and those elderly people who are on blood pressure medicines, modification or changing the medicines can also help in decreasing dry eye. Also, drink plenty of water and fruits and omega-3 fatty acids, which are available in fresh fruits and vegetables, also help in alleviating the symptoms. Thank you.